This is the world's largest steam locomotive restored by the Union Pacific Railroad. 7,000 horsepower, 605 tons, 135 feet long, 17 feet tall. It's just a behemoth. It's just a massive machine. Just looking at the crowd's reaction and looking at everybody, you can tell that they just love the locomotive.
The big boy train is so strong. He's even ton, and he can pull a circus train. And he has the Challenger train.
My grandson, he's autistic. He's all about trains. He just absolutely loves them. Draws them all day long.
That's great. So what brought you here today?
Him. We're train enthusiasts anyway, and he just loves them. And so we took him out of school today. Sorry, Teach. I was on a train before I was born, so because I'm from Germany, and that's all about trains over there too. So the fact that it's so huge, and the sound, just the rumble. How big the whistle is. I mean, it's just, I can't imagine what the other conductors feel like when they go past that. It's just amazing.
I love trains for all my life. I have many train sets from any kind of, many things, if you know. And just seeing this really takes me back from what I love to doing, to have all my free time.
Thank you so much, Ed.
It is world's largest operating steam locomotive.
We wanted to give him a picture that Keven had drawn for him, and the policeman, who was the head of the security for this, went down and gave him the picture, and he came out and actually talked to him, which was awesome. That was past awesome.
Trains are really great, and they will inspire you for all of your lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. Once in a lifetime.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to say?
No, God bless you guys. That's awesome. Thank you.
No, not good.
Bye.